In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV transactions into Xero. If you're managing your business's finances on Xero, getting your transactions imported correctly is a crucial step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer your transaction data using CSV files. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, you should see the dashboard as your home screen. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your financial situation, helping you stay on top of cash flow, expenses, and invoices. Next, to begin the import process, let's head over to the section where you manage your bank accounts. You can do this by clicking on Manage Account. This will take you to the Bank Accounts page, where you can see all linked accounts and transactions. This area is your hub for keeping track of your financial activities. Once you're there, you'll need to select the option to import a statement. This step is crucial as it allows you to bring in data from external sources, like the CSV files downloaded from your bank. When you click on this, it opens up the section where you can add statements. It's essential to have your CSV file ready at this point so you can proceed without interruptions. Now look for the Select File option on the screen. Clicking this allows you to browse your computer to find the specific CSV file that contains your transactions. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check that your CSV file is formatted correctly according to Xero's requirements. This includes ensuring that the columns match Xero's format and that all data is accurate and complete. If you're unsure about the format, Xero provides a sample CSV template, which can be quite handy. After selecting your file, you can upload it into Xero. The system will typically provide an overview of the transactions, allowing you to verify that everything looks good. If the imported data seems off or you notice errors, it might be due to formatting issues in your CSV. Ensure all dates, amounts, and descriptions align correctly with what Xero accepts. Taking this extra step guarantees that your financial data remains accurate and useful for your accounting needs. With the file uploaded and verified, you can now proceed with the import process. Once complete, your transactions will be available in Xero, allowing you to reconcile them with your bank statements, manage cash flow, and maintain accurate books without hassle. This process not only saves time, but also ensures you're continuously updated with the latest financial transactions, making it easier to track your finances and make informed decisions. And that's it. You've now learned how to import CSV transactions into Xero. Keeping your financial data in sync is an essential part of running a business effectively, and using Xero makes the process straightforward and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your business's financial operations. Happy accounting!